Now Frankie, the first time she drove this car was 2 days ago when she parked it onto the stand. So yes, it's a new car for Frankie, but Frankie has been drag racing quite well. She started in junior dragster, did her apprenticeship, if you like, in there. And with all drag racers, they generally like to stay in the fold, and they like to go from the 8th mile up to the quarter mile, and that is exactly where Frankie's ended up here. The band she altered was imported from America, a few changes to make the car more comfortable for them. And this is very unusual in an altered, because normally when you have an altered chassis, the driver will sit slap bang in the middle, but this, Frankie actually sits to the left hand side. So she's just putting the steering wheel pin back in. Now Frankie will be running this car on the quarter mile next year if she gets acclimatised to the vehicle, but I think it's time, Frankie, to fire it up. So here we go then. Mick helping out here, of course. Mick will probably do the first couple of runs when the car takes to the quarter mile, but this is going to be Frankie's ride for 2024. A slight difference to it, obviously, makes a small rock Chevy in this one, but still enough to give Frankie 540 horsepower in a very lightweight car to have a lot of fun with. So, Frankie, I really do wish you all the best when the racing season starts. Good luck.